welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video we're gonna unbox. So this is what I shop at SM Mall. So first is we're gonna fit this clothing. So I'm gonna unbox it for you and we're gonna try it on. So, long sleeve, and then next is the skirt. And then we have also another skirt. First is this one, is from Sofa. Ta-da! So I have the shoes. This one. And we have also these other shoes. So first is we're going to keep this one on the floor. So beautiful. So next is we're going to open this one. Zania. So we have this one. I love it, so soft. So next is we're gonna wear the clothing. Hi, so this is our first outfit with a beautiful shoes. So next is we're gonna wear the other skirt. Hi everybody, so my clothing is from Terra Nova and it's 1,100. So in dollars, they always ask me how much I paid for it. So it's $20, so it's 1,195 and my size is small. So if you want to donate for clothing sale, just just message me to my Gmail account. And this is the last skirt that we're gonna wear today. So how you like it, guys? And I hope you like it. You like a robot. So all of my clothing is $20. And for my shoes, I'm gonna show you first with the shoes with this kind of, well, I'm gonna show you how it looks like with my outfit with these shoes. So first is we're gonna wear this one. I really don't know what type of shoes I have. I only know high heels. Usually they always say like you're gonna wear the stilettos, wedges, and then I learned from you guys about the shoe name, but I really don't know the name. I only know the brand. So this one is Zania, and all of my clothing and shoes are not sponsored. So this one is 2,200 and it's from Zania. So the difference, I bought this one at SA Mall and the other one is in Ayala. It's just because this is more soft than Shein. Shein is also good, but then it's quite hard here in the skin area. So this one is we're gonna wear. This is from Sofab and it's 1,499. Sofab. So also not a sponsored video, sponsored shoes. I'm supposed to say that. So next is first is I'm gonna show you my outfit together with these heels. So I'm gonna sit aside these heels and then. So what do you think of my outfit today? It's like I'm going to an office today. So okay, next I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna sit down and then I'm gonna show you my outfit, how it looks like with this stiletto shoes. So I ordered some clothing at Shein and it doesn't arrive yet. It's because maybe it's holiday season. Take this out and this side. It's a very good one. This stilettos one, I have red, black, and white. So first time I have this one. This color is kind of peach color. Next time is we're gonna wear the stockings with these high heels. So I want to make pictures of myself with it. I have to go back to my chair. So everyone, I hope you like our unboxing video today. Merry Christmas everyone and advance Happy New Year. And more shoes to come in my channel, unboxing video. And then if you want to support my channel, you can always go to my Patreon account. It's in my channel description. And also, if you want to help me for my outfit and my shoes, also donate me to my PayPal account in the description down below. It's just in my channel description, guys. So that will be all for now and see you next vlog. Bye everyone! Hello, for today's video is we're gonna